Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to talk you through how to make a simple and delicious French press. Let's go. All right, let's get started by finding out how much coffee and water you need to put in your French press. So for instance, we're using a 1:20 ratio. That's 1 part coffee, 20 parts water. So for me, my French press can fit 600 grams of water in it. So I'm going to divide that 600 by 20, and that's going to give me my recipe of 30 grams to go with my 600 grams of liquid. Then I'm going to grind that coffee to a coarse medium grind. This would be similar to a V60 or a batch brew or that of a paper filter setting. I'll take the plunger out, I'll tip that coffee straight into the French press. I'll set that on the scales and I'll tear off the scales. Now we're going to get our water. I prepared this water at 90 degrees. That's an optimal temperature, but of course, if you have a standard kettle, you could just cool down your water slightly so you don't scorch the coffee. Once you've added water to the coffee, we need to know what the time is because we're aiming for a 4-minute brew time. Now, the first 30 seconds of that is going to be the bloom. So we just want to hit that coffee with 100 grams of liquid so that we can get the gases out of the coffee, and this will help with the extraction and the absorption of the water into the coffee. Give it a stir just to really make sure all of the grounds are fully saturated. At the 30 seconds, we'll fill up to the 600 grams end goal liquid that we'd like. Now we want to let the coffee brew in the water. So don't stir it again, don't agitate the coffee, just let it sit there until the 4-minute mark. At 4 minutes, we can put the plunger into the top of the French press and we can slowly start to push down. We don't want to push too hard because we don't want to agitate the coffee and stir up any of the grounds that have sank to the bottom. So we're going to slowly push this down. Once you've plunged all the way to the bottom, we suggest decanting the whole amount of liquid into another container or bottle, just so that it doesn't continue to brew and change flavor. Then you can pour yourself a delicious cup of French press coffee and enjoy. It's that simple. A French press is a great way to entertain a big group of people or have an experience just with a nice black coffee for yourself. So that's my simple, easy to follow recipe. Today I've used the S-Pro P3. It's a double filter French press, but you can definitely use any French press that you can find. And to explore different flavors, you can move to a single origin. Today I brewed this on our Champion blend, but you could try our other blends, you could try a single origin just to expand what other flavors you can get out of your French press. So thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried this recipe, how you brew your French press, and if you have any suggestions for the community, we'd love to hear them. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you next time. Cheers.